Hey guys, in this video I'm going about how to sell covered calls if you own 100 stocks. So in this case Walmart, I have 100 stocks which are $83 up, which is pretty nice. Now it's running at 180, 130.83. So what I can do is sell a covered calls and make some extra money. So weekly $100 or something. You do need 100 stocks for this strategy and you can work for any stocks. So you go options, this in Robinhood, just select. So sell calls, I'm gonna select 32. So sell call 32, $188. I'll get $88 in credit and 100 shares as a collateral. It just executed, so I will get $88. If it goes above 131 or 32, I guess 32, it will sell my stocks, but it will sell at 132. So I'm profitable on both the way. Thank you.